What is going on, YouTube? We got a few adults here that are no longer producing. Here, go ahead and feed them off. Just gotta be careful. I don't know how I want to do this. Let's see if I can get in here. There she is. These guys have been good rats for me. I don't want them to be too scared. She was ready. Like I said, trying to be as respectful as I can to these older rats here that have been nothing but good to me, but as it states, we gotta go here, so. This one's going off. This one's got half a tail because one keeps attacking it. Wrapped up. Sometimes that's just how we gotta do it. These are two that are no longer making rats for us, and it's sad that they have to go like this, but that's what we gotta do. Oh, they gotta go. Oh, I hate to see it. But let's follow them along here and see what they end up doing. Big meal for him, so let's see if I can get him back in there. Well, yeah, I might make a second part of this. We'll see how it goes. Nice. Both of them are handling it the way they need to. Good looking. Why? Why are we doing this? Why? Just eat your food, bro. All right, I think we'll leave him be.